Hey everyone, this is Aaron at Cross Jeep here. In this video, we're going to be going over the doors and locks settings. I'm in a 2025 Gladiator right now with the 12.3-inch screen. For doors and locks, you can, if you don't see it up front, you can scroll down until you do, and there it is. When you have several different situations to go over here, so I'll go over them with you one by one. Auto door locks is when the vehicle is moving. You want the doors to lock automatically, and if you're ever unsure, you can hit that that button that says I with a circle around it. Tells you what it actually does. Automatically locks the door when the vehicle is in motion. Door unlock on exit, kind of the reverse. When you're exiting the vehicle, all the doors unlock. Flash lights with lock. So when you hit the lock button on the key fob, you get a visual of that response working. So if that command went through, then you'll see the lights flash in the front. Sound horn with lock is if you hit lock. Right now it's set to off, so you won't hear anything, but let's say I set it to first press. And if I hit that lock button, I should hear that sound upon first press. You can change that to second press if you wanted to do that only when you click that lock button twice. It will still lock the vehicle, but you wouldn't hear that audible sound until you hit it twice. Two more to go here. First press of key fob unlocks. So when you hit the unlock button once, do you want to unlock just the driver door or all the doors? Right now we have it set to unlock just the driver door, and then when you click it again, it would unlock all the doors. So you can change that to unlock all the doors upon just one click as well. Passive entry is turned on. Let's go see what that's all about. Automatically unlocks the doors when outside door is grabbed. So let's turn that on. So let's say you have your key fob in your pocket or purse. You get close enough to your Jeep, it's going to automatically unlock the door for you. Hope that was helpful. Hope you guys enjoyed. Have a wonderful day.